How to transfer a Instagram account from one phone to another. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can transfer a Instagram account from your old device to another new device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Now, first of all, in order to get logged out of this device, then tap on three bar icon on your top page. Scroll at the bottom and tap on to log out. Now, once you have logged out of that device, go ahead and open your Instagram app in your another device or your new device. You will see a page similar to this. In here, simply type in your username, email address, or phone number. Once done, type in your password at the password box below. And if your credentials are correct, you can successfully get logged into your Instagram account. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.